Planet Gliese 581c is the first possibly habitable planet found in history. Distant 180 trillion kilometers from planet Earth, or 20.5 light-years, planet Gliese 581c orbits the red dwarf star Gliese 581 in the constellation of Libra. The star that is orbited by the planet is only one-third the mass of our Sun and emits 50 times less energy than the star that orbits planet Earth. Gliese 581c was discovered on April 24, 2007 by French, Portuguese and Swiss astronomers, a team led by Stéphane Udry of the Geneva Observatory. Using the radial velocity technique, which represents the speed at which an object approaches or moves away, measured in degrees of angular velocity by a third observer, and a device called HARPS at the European Southern Observatory in Chile, the researchers recorded the first object that could contain a liquid water exoplanets. So possible housing. Gliese 581c is the first planet with Earth-like characteristics. Physically, it is 50% larger in diameter and 5 times more massive than Earth. These qualities earned him the nickname Super-Earth. Its physical conditions make its gravity much greater than Earth's, about 2.15 times that of Earth. Astronomers studying the planet Gliese 581c have noticed a strange feature. Apparently it always has the same face facing the star it orbits, so part of its territory will live in eternal night, while another part will be constantly illuminated. This situation shows that the temperature difference on the Earth's surface must be large, and the transition environment must have a mild climate, more suitable for the existence of life. I'm Vrimsplum, and if you've made it this far, leave your like or comment, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more videos, and we'll see you soon.